We got to talk about a major step back in California's roadmap for reopening. California businesses are shut back down. Governor Newsom announced new restrictions yesterday and says that they are effective immediately. Now, things will be a little different this time. A lot of businesses can move operations outside or just close altogether. Now, this is all because of a surge in coronavirus cases and people having to go to the hospital.
A lot of these activities that were happening inside, like restaurants, moving those activities outside, the impact of the spread of the virus outside, we believe, is more favorable.
Right now, these 30 counties you see on your screen are on a state watch list because of the recent spike. The new restrictions will affect businesses in these counties the most. ABC 10's Carlos Herrera is live in Old Sacramento. Carlos, tell us, what else do we need to know about these restrictions?
There are many changes you need to know about, and you start noticing them as early as this morning. It's a really gut punch for most local businesses that have been suffering for the past 3 months. It means that most indoor businesses like these in Old Sacramento will have to turn this open sign to close until further notice. Now, as you mentioned, Kirsten, there are several moving parts with this, so we want you to pay close attention and listen up. The governor's new round of restrictions means that it changes for everyone statewide. That means dine-in restaurants, tasting rooms and wineries, movie theaters, family entertainment centers, zoos and museums, and card rooms must close indoor operations. Outdoor dining and takeout are still allowed, but bars must close completely. Only those that offer sit-down meals outdoors will be allowed to stay open. Now, to the new restrictions for the 30 counties on the state's watch list that Kirsten just mentioned, including Sacramento, San Joaquin, Stanislaus, Yolo, Placer, and Yuba Sutter counties. Those will have to close even more businesses like fitness centers, places of worship, malls, and personal care services like hair salons and barbershops. Most small local businesses have already taken a blow from 3 months of coronavirus closures. Some have forced to close their doors forever. A business owners we spoke with says he fears his business will be next.
The new decision has really crumbled the momentum of this industry. The rent is very high, and we really can't hold on much longer.
Governor Newsom said he understands the economic hardship this round of closures will cause, but the safety and health of Californians is more important. Kirsten, we know there's a lot of changes. You can head to abc10.com/links for all the updates. You can send it back over to you.
Okay, Carlos, let me ask you a question. It looks like coronavirus isn't going anywhere anytime soon. What tips or what kind of relief is the governor offering Californians at this time?
Yeah, Governor Newsom yesterday really reminded Californians that the virus isn't going away and that right now is the time to keep practicing social distancing and, of course, wear a mask in public.
All right, there you have it. Thank you for that, Carlos.